So this is about different genres of music. So we have hip hop, rock, Appalachian folk music, classical, and even reggae. Combining music to me is natural, kind of with the way gardens are designed. You see a certain color, you think of a certain mood. Well, I do the same with music, so I thought it would be a great idea to do a combination of both.
Oh, it looks absolutely beautiful.
Nice soft colors.
So let's talk about the Serpentine room. What will we see when we go to that room?
You're going to hear and see a lot of graffiti and very colorful mums.
And talk about the records that are hanging and what they're hanging from.
Yeah, they're hanging from a recycled tire, bicycle tire rim. So that was a lot of fun to put together.
And then the coloring wall?
So it's just a way of having an interactive moment with our guests. They can just come up and use some of the crayons and markers to color everything in.
And tell me the words that you put in there.
Pittsburgh words, of course, like downtown and slippy and things like that.
How long does it take to plan a show like this?
It takes about a year to plan a show. So I'm already doing 2025, so it takes about a year to get the full plans in order.
And we have to talk about something called disc bud.
Oh, you love the disc buds, huh, Doug?
Yes, I do.
A disc bud is a typical mum, certain cultivars usually, and it is grown on a stake, and it is pruned just so for about 5 months to get just one spectacular bloom. So all the side shoots are pruned off. We call that disc budding. And then the end result is one magnificent flower.
And then trailing.
Oh yeah, trailing. We call those our cascade mums. We use a lot of those here at Phipps. We put them in baskets, we put them in troughs over your head, and we put them in window boxes.
And tell me a little bit about what you get out of doing this, about designing the show since 2010.
Probably about the most rewarding thing is seeing people delight in the change of season, the change of show. So when people just come into a room, you see a big smile on their face. It's like the most rewarding thing in the world. When I'm designing a garden, color is a really huge thing to me. Like bright colors, I love the harmony of the colors, but that's also with music too. And I love music. I love all different types of music.
Well, we have to talk about that piano in the palm court.
Oh, that's magnificent. Our facilities department put that together. So Paul Wydeck, he's a magician with wood, and he put that together. He made it from scratch.
So what will people see when they walk in the palm court?
So the palm court is jazz music, and you're going to see that piano right in the center of the bed, changing colors and water going over the keys.
So tell me what's in the gallery.
Okay, the gallery, we have reggae music featured. So that's going to be a lot of fun. There's a 3-bird mobile constructed by our staff right over your head.
East room?
The East room is Appalachian folk, so there's a bunch of different local artists that contributed their music to this room, and it's all in very traditional colors of orange and reds and yellows.
And tell me what we'll see in the Victoria room.
The Victoria room is 4 decades of rock. So you're going to be able to go up to a console that looks like a jukebox, and you're going to be able to select your decade of rock.
Broderie room.
Broderie room, of course, is classical. So it's all done in very soft colors. We work with the Pittsburgh Symphony Orchestra to get music in there.
What do you hope that visitors get out of their time at the Fall Flower Show?
I just want people to just relax, maybe sit down and just take in the colors of the season, and before all the hype of the holidays, just sit down and relax, have some fun with your family, and just see something different.